What's up guys, Michael here, back at it again with another really quick tutorial. I'm going to show you guys today how to set up Nightbot so that you can play music in your stream, viewers can request music in your stream, and the coolest part, so that you can have text in your stream showing what music has been requested, what music is playing, and who requested the song. Really cool feature, very interactive for your stream, and it makes the viewer who requested the song feel special, feel like they stand out because their name is on your stream. Pretty freaking cool for them, you know what I mean? So, first step, go over to beta.nightbot.tv. We're going to log in or sign up if you haven't already. Log in with Twitch, which I already have an account, it automatically logs me in. And so down here you see it says song request. We have auto DJ and we have playlist. So the first thing you want to do is set up a playlist. If your auto DJ feature here, you click on auto DJ and you see settings. It starts off, let me pause the music playing here because we don't want YouTube to hit us with any copyright. So you can see here that it says playlist, and you see where it says channel and Monster Cat. Monster Cat is what's going to be default right there on playlist. I don't really know what's in that playlist, but it's a bunch of default stuff and I never use it. So you want to go ahead and switch this over to channel. That way it will play the songs that you set up in your own custom playlist, and yeah, it's just a lot better that way. So search provider, I leave that to YouTube. Pretty much everything else I leave the same. User level, if you only want like mods or regulars or subscribers to be able to request music, you can set that up, but I leave it to everyone. I'm not a super popular stream at the time of making this video, but yeah, so set it up like this, everyone, channel, YouTube. So we're going to submit that, and then you go over to playlist. Now you guys can see that I already have a bunch of songs in my playlist, just random stuff, but we're going to add another one. I don't know what. Let's add some Toby Keith. How do you like me now? How do you like me now? Now that I'm on my way, you still think I'm crazy making videos on YouTube? Anyway, you add that in there, and yeah, it says it takes a second to add to your list. It's probably over on page 3. No, maybe on page 2. There it is, Toby Keith. How do you like me now? So that's been added to the playlist. So if there's a song playing in your playlist right now and you want to listen to the next song, obviously just go over your auto DJ, and for the record, this needs to be playing in the background, obviously, or your stream's not going to be able to hear it. And right here is one of the places you can adjust the volume. I usually keep mine pretty low, because if not, for the way my setup is, it's overpowering and you can hear the music over me, and yeah, that's not good. I always like the music to be kind of in the background. But yeah, if you want to skip the song that's currently playing, just click skip. It'll go on to the next one, or the next one, or the next one, or the next one. And that's pretty much it for how setting up your playlist works. Now, if you want to set up, or if you want, blah, 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 I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm going to show you guys now how to request songs yourself and how viewers can request songs. So I'm actually hosting a pretty cool cat right now, Joker the Jester 1295. Check him out. But yeah, over here in your stream, all you got to do is hit ! song request. I don't know, Stained. We'll just hit that. Song request Stained. Stained, it's been a while, popped up. We could hit song request Miley Cyrus, Wrecking Ball. Not that I want to listen to that, it's just the first thing that came to my head. Oh, I put a space in there. No spaces. Miley Cyrus, Wrecking Ball. There you go. So now that pops up and that is added to the queue. We go over here and say we skip to the next song. You can see It's Been a While by Stained is next, and the next one after that is the infamous Miley Cyrus, Wrecking Ball. Perfect. I'm going to take a quick drink. Alright, now that I'm finished with that, I'm going to show you guys how to get the music to show in your stream. So that you can see what it looks like, I will pull up, well no, because it'll take my computer a second to load that, but this is OBS. I love OBS, most streamers do, it's pretty lightweight, so use that. I used to use XSplit back in the day. XSplit, I like OBS better. So, but I'm sure that this is similar. This is a similar setup in OBS. And look at my stupid self, I clicked on a scene accidentally. So give that a second to load. Oop. Oh, my computer's being weird right now. Anyway, while that's loading, I'll show you guys where you need to go. So there's another website you need to go to, and I will put the link to this website in the description, but it's so that you can download the Nightbot app beta. This is like a little program of Nightbot on your computer instead of using the web browser to use it. So we're going to download your operating system's version. I don't even know what OS X is. We're Windows. So click that, download it. Of course, I already have it downloaded, but I will show you guys kind of what it looks like just for the purpose of the video. Next, I accept this agreement. Next, 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 next. Install. Blah, 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 blah. Launch Nightbot. And let's check OBS and see. Yeah. Hey, we'll just go ahead and use this. It's my girlfriend's webcam that you guys can see there, but we'll just leave that there for the purpose of the video. I will use that scene to demonstrate how to add music. So, this is the Nightbot app program. As you can see, you no longer need to open that window or leave that window open. So, it's basically the same thing as it was on the website. But now there's a text file downloaded in a Nightbot folder in your documents. Let me show you guys that real quick. Documents. Nightbot. Current song. So that is going to be what you need to add to your OBS stream to so that people can see what they requested on your stream. So OBS. Here's your scene. We're going to right click, add text, and name it whatever you want. We'll name it Nightbot. Alright. Font, you can change this to whatever you want. I like Impact. I think it stands out, looks cool. But yeah, you can add custom fonts, do whatever you want. Uses whatever fonts are on your computer. And just right here, use text from file, UTF-8 or compatible, whatever that means. And yeah, just right there, like I said, documents, Nightbot, current song. Open, la 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 la, and shabam, there it is. Of course, you want to adjust it to where it actually fits in your stream, but there it is. Green Day, Boulevard of Broken Dreams, official video requested by Slay3D. Let's open up Nightbot again, hit next just to see if this works. Now it says Weezer Island in the Sun, so let's check and see if Nightbot updated, and it did. What more do you want, man? So, if you want to play with this a little bit, there are a couple different things you can customize, like font size. Font, obviously, you can change it to whatever you want here. I don't know why you'd want it vertical, but hey, you may be doing something different to me. Who knows? One of the cool things you can do is scroll speed. So, if you want it to scroll, you can actually type in scroll. Just for the purpose of video, we'll make it super fast so you can see. So, you can play with all that, make it however you want, customize it. It's pretty freaking cool. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope it helps some of you out. Maybe you guys can get some music going in your stream and get some people being able to see what they requested. Sweet. Please like the video if it helps you out, guys. It helps me out. Helps me rank up in the YouTube search page. Leave me a comment if it helped you out, and let me know if you think that I'm nuts or not. I know that I am. Subscribe to my channel for more videos from my goofy self, because I am that, and I don't even know what I'm saying now. So yeah, I'm just going to end the video before I ruin it by saying something stupid. America! See you guys. Oh yeah, check out my stream, twitch.tv/slay3d.